How can horses be so muscular if they only eat plants? Horses are herbivores, but they are incredibly strong. They get protein from grass, plants and bacteria in their gut. Their digestive system turns plants into powerful energy. Horses can sleep while standing up. They also have almost 360-degree vision. A horse can recognize human emotions, remember faces for years. Newborn horses can run just hours after birth. Nature creates perfect survivors.